set that boy up.
What's that?
Do not set that boy up.
No, I didn't. I mentioned she used